This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info. Tips on how to avoid bad habits in your Forex trading. If every investor out there suddenly started to profit, then the markets would completely shut down. Somebody is to lose money for other people to make money, and that's what's so dangerous about a market like Forex. However, if you check out these tips and tactics, you can end up on the right side of the fence. A good way to learn valuable information about Forex is to subscribe to newsletters and online magazines dealing with the issues. You shouldn't take this information as gospel and trade on a whim, but the more information the better, in terms of learning how the market works. Reading a few articles a day is a great way to become market savvy. When trading in Forex, risk management is always more important than profit. It only takes a single catastrophic loss to wipe out your entire account unless you are careful about managing your risk. Remember, if you lose too much, you don't have enough capital left to continue your Forex trading. If you are going to enter the world of Forex trading, it is important that you understand the world of money management. Taking control of your money is about making sure your losses are small and your gains are big. Once you start making a profit, do not throw your money around recklessly. To make any kind of money from trading, you need to be able to recognize the current markets. You also need to have some self-awareness. You need to be able to recognize how much of a risk you are willing to take. It is important to look at your own goals, and not go overboard, and also not invest too little. Sometimes it is best to accept your losses. Don't just wait for the trade to turn around and hope that more money will come. More than likely this will not happen, and you will end up losing more than if you would have gotten out when your funds started dropping. A good Forex trading tip is to try and keep your trading and analysis as simple as possible. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to be successful at trading. All you need is a clear focus and carefully conceived goals. It's best not to dwell on failures too much. The foreign exchange market is bound by rules, and you can use this principle to set rules for yourself. You have the ability to set your own rules for trading so that your account is protected. For example, make it the rule never to leverage yourself too high, or make the rule to back out if you've lost 10% of your account. Using the right information, such as the tips in this article, will ensure that you're never one of the marketplace losers. You won't have to worry about other people taking advantage of you, as long as you're willing to apply the tips you learned here. You might not become an expert overnight, but you won't become one of the losers, either. This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info.